Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet. This is finished in Guards Red. This is powered by a 3.8 liter flat 6-cylinder engine. This was optioned with the 7-speed automatic PDK transmission. This car is in fantastic shape. Start up front here. Driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no pitting, no corrosion. Center caps are in great shape. No dings, no dents. Back here to the driver rear. Again, great shape. No curb rash, no dings, no scratches. Center cap's in great shape. Throw the 20-inch Carrera S wheels. Got your active rear spoiler back here. This is also equipped with the sport exhaust. Back here to the passenger rear wheel, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, center cap's in excellent shape. Black soft top. And finally up here to the passenger front, again, same shape, excellent. No curb rash, no scratches, center caps, no discoloration. My xenon headlights with the Porsche Dynamic Light System, or PDLS. Got a Luxor beige leather interior. You have the Porsche crests in the headrests. You have Bose premium audio. You have this nice contrast stitching. Aluminum Carrera S dorsal guards. 14-way power sports seats, and this does have the memory package. PCM with navigation, 3-stage heated and cooled front seats up here. You have a heated multifunction steering wheel, and current mileage 16,493. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.